But it was the next race which got us into a bit of trouble.
1, go! Oh no! How are you doing him? No, we're getting pulled over! Oh no!
The police arrived out of nowhere.
Oh no! Oh no!
I think we're getting pulled over by the police. Who do you want to play, the man? Is it you or is it me?
I don't know, I think it might be me. So, you two, I'm not sure.
But then his lights went off and he just pulled by the side of us. We couldn't work out what was going on.
There was a police car behind us and he had his sirens on and now he's turned them off and driven off.
I think he just tried to warn us. Yeah, it's like, look guys, I don't want to see you lose so much money at the casino. Please keep your miles per gallon down.
We continued our journey, this time with our sensible hats on. And that naturally led us to our second fill-up.
I was in the Ferrari.
Sorry?
Rolls Royce filled up, €78. Ferrari at 76. But Jack's Aston just kept on going.
Oh,
€90. So my car's the least economical and the slowest.
yeah.
And we were still only a third of the way there. So we really needed to get a move on.
I think we've discovered a new hack in the Rolls Royce. There, looks like massage seats.
You're joking.
And it's on.
The journey got even better in the Rolls Royce. And the miles were flying by. Next fill up. And it wasn't long before we finally arrived at Monaco. The last fill up. Last fill up. Let's see what the total fuel bill is.
Well, going through the tunnel, went down to 2 bars.
Oh,
Came out the tunnel, gone back up to 4.
that's a win. That's free fuel.
Right, and so it begins.
I think you're going to have the most expensive bill to gamble.
I'm gonna lose all my money. I'm not feeling confident. This is gonna be the fuel is actually ridiculously expensive here as well.
Now something happened at this fuel station which we all managed to miss, and we only noticed because we decided to go and clean the cars before we actually got into the centre of Monaco.
It is.
Oh no.
Oh shit!
Oh no.
Oh my god!
Oh no.
Oh my god!
Do you know where that was?
No, I remember where
Yeah.
that was. That was what I was
Oh, do you reckon it was that woman?
Yeah, that's what I said to you.
I think I got that on video.
Oh, I didn't even
It was that woman. She knocked.
Somebody had dented the Rolls Royce.
No way.
So a woman?
Yeah, we both said it to you, didn't we?
Yeah, I heard you both say it, but I didn't.
She went in a scooter and just went ding into your car.
No
Oh,
way.
you're joking.
On the good side as well. So a woman on a moped was at a petrol station on the last fill up, and as we were pulling out, these guys said, "Oh, I think she just dropped a moped on the car." I was like, "No way," because we didn't hear anything.
No.
And well, apparently she did. Nice.
That's how quiet it is in this car. You can get crashed into and you don't hear it.
Oh my god.
Rashford just thought he'd just went up a curb.
You win some and you lose some. But I'm pretty sure if we can fix the car from looking like this, we can fix a dent as small as that. Especially if we're going to Mansouri later.
Used to look like this.
Hola! Ay, ay, ay.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah, big crash. How fast do you think he was going?
200?
200?
But we now got all the cars clean and headed into Monaco. This place is full of cool cars. And of course, famous for the yachts. And on our way into Monaco, we bumped into some familiar faces.
What are they doing here? Didn't expect to see you here.
Hannah and the girls also arrived at Monaco.
That car just fits in so well, doesn't it? It doesn't belong on a racetrack. But
Definitely not.
it definitely belongs here. It's the right place for it.
But now that we've arrived, I was dying to find out which one had done the best miles per gallon.
In first place, we have the Rolls Royce, the most economical car out of all of these three. At £271 it cost me from Spain to here. Well done, Rolls. And in second place, the Ferrari. €282. And yet again, in third place, the Aston Martin at €297 to get here. That money will now be gambled at the casino on either red or black to see if we can get it back. Let's go rob the casino. Come on.
This is it. We're now about to try and win back the fuel money that has cost us to get here. And what a way to do it.
4 years ago, me and Hannah come here in a Bentley, which was £10,000. £10,000 Bentley we drove here, me and Hannah, after lockdown. And now we're back in a Rolls Royce, 2,000 miles on the clock.
It really does go to show you, if you work at something hard enough which you love, you never know where it might take you. I never thought I'd end up here.